Hi there. Today I want to talk about the cost of being healthy because I hear a lot that it's very expensive to be healthy or to eat healthy or to do healthy things. And maybe that's true. But it depends on how you look at those expenses and how you value your own health to begin with. It's very easy to get yourself sick. It's very cheap to get yourself sick because the stuff that gets you sick is very cheap to obtain and very easy. And that's what a lot of people do is they obtain the things that help them get sicker versus the thing that helps them get healthier. And once you're sick, it costs a lot of money to regain that health. So building your health does cost a decent amount of money. But actually being healthy and buying the things that you need to stay healthy and doing the things that you need to stay healthy, although not as expensive, so to speak, as having to recover your health, it's important to keep in mind that being healthy in the long run is one of the most expensive things that you can do overall. It's extremely expensive to be and stay healthy. Why? Because one, you're going to live a lot longer. You're going to have all your everyday expenses go out even longer, more years on your life. That's more birthdays that you have to buy things for people for. That's more holidays that you have to stick around for and get things and buy healthy food. Those are more meals you need to get. That's more family that you need to be around. That's more expenses that you accrue over time. But these are also memories and these are experiences that you get to have because you're healthy, because you get to stick around longer, because you get to experience your family and your life for that much longer. So being healthy, yes, it is an expensive thing to do. It's expensive to have health because it extends your life. It extends the happiness in your life. It extends the quality of your life. And you get to do more stuff and experience more things, live more life, and love more. And that's what life is all about. So if you're worried about what something's going to cost you, especially in the long run, and something that's going to keep your health levels up versus just going along for the ride and hoping you stay not sick, then, look at yourself, look at how you want to invest in yourself, and maybe you look at your priorities again and see if that's something you want to change. Because being healthy, like I said, is one of the most expensive things that you can do. And it's a good expense, you got to admit. All right, everybody, enjoy your night. I will see you guys tomorrow.